Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and tonight I'm going to share with you the new Cricut February mystery box. Woohoo! It's February 2018. Cricut has a new mystery box, and this is full of Cricut products. Yep, full of Cricut products. It's only $34.99. And it has a retail value of $100, so that's a great value. And if you use my link to make your purchase when you see the reveal and you want the box, use my promo code SMQD, and you get an extra 10% off, and you get free economy shipping in the US. Pretty good deal. Let's see what's in the box. And I apologize for the quality of the video. My webcam is not cooperating, and I'm doing the best I can. So, but I didn't want you to miss out. So the first thing in this box is a roll of, oh gosh, this is the basic bright colors of Cricut vinyl. And so it has a red and a blue and a yellow and a piece of transfer tape in this. So you get a roll of this. And, ooh, I think Cricut's trying to get us ready for St. Patrick's Day, which will be coming up in March, because we have green Cricut iron-on, okay? And I know the color probably looks funny, but it's a beautiful kind of an emerald green color, and it's very sparkly, which you know that I love. And this is for the iron-on, so think about all the shirts and things you can make for St. Patrick's Day. And you also get, and this is beautiful, you also get a roll of the jade colored Cricut iron-on. So this is more of kind of a blue-green color. It's really pretty, and it would look great with the green as a contrast on your St. Patrick's Day shirts. And you also get a roll of just the Cricut glitter vinyl, okay? So the Cricut glitter vinyl inside the roll, remember, has a piece of strong grip transfer tape that you must use with the Cricut glitter vinyl for you to be able to transfer it. Regular transfer tape or any other brands don't really like working on the Cricut glitter vinyl. It just won't pick it up. When you go to transfer it, you want to use the strong grip tape, and you get a whole sheet of it rolled up in the center of your Cricut vinyl. So make sure you do that. And this is beautiful green. So we've got 3 shades of green things we can play with. And we have a pack of Cricut Bright poster board. Look at all those pretty colors. So the poster board is great for all kinds of projects, great for making boxes, great for making like mobile things that have, you want a little more stability on them. And so this is really cool, and it cuts great in all the Cricut Explore and Cricut Maker machines. And there's more in this box. Okay, so there is a pack of the black Cricut multi-pin set. So those of you who don't have a bunch of pins yet, this is awesome. This one has a 0.4, a 0.8, a 1 point. Those are the tips, right? And then it also has 2 of the calligraphy pins, which has more of a slanted nib on it, so that you can do a little more fancy writing with your Cricut. Pretty fun. So you get a pack of these. And, oh my gosh, okay. And you get a pack of, they call this the Cricut Everyday Collection Pack of pins. And in this, you're going to get, it looks like they are either 1 point or 0.4, and you get a mix of black and gold and silver pins, okay, in those different point sizes. So another great thing to have on hand for your Cricut stuff. Have any of y'all been using your Cricut pins to write on for projects or to draw? It's really fun to draw with the pens. Okay, there's one more thing in this box, is if all this stuff already wasn't well worth $34.99. There is one of the 12 by 24 Cricut strong grip purple mats, okay? So this is great when you're going to use heavier materials. Poster board, sometimes you might want to use a strong grip mat. Anything that's more substantial in weight, that you would want to use a little bit stickier mat to make sure it stays in place when you're cutting it, okay? So really great February 2018 Cricut mystery box. It's only $34.99. but use my link to purchase. You'll see it in the description with the video, underneath the video, and use my promo code SMQD, and you will get an extra 10% off your mystery box and free shipping in the US if you pick economy shipping. So that's the box. Hope you guys like it. I just got the box today, so I haven't had time to make something to show you, but I am planning on working on some St. Patrick's Day projects, because with the name Debbie O'Neill, we kind of do St. Patrick's Day at our house. Hope you guys have a great week. Hope you're staying nice and warm. We're cold and rainy here in Houston again, which is not so much fun, but I hope that you're having a great time wherever you are crafting and having lots of fun. Come join us over in the Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group, Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill group, Facebook group, and I will see you guys later. Bye.